Hi, I'm Bill Perry, and I'm going to show you some of the cool new features of Adobe Flash CS3 and Device Central. Now what I have here is a flashlight application for a fictitious event called Aquathon. Now this is meant to serve as a flashlight event guide that someone attending this event or someone who's interested in the event could actually stay up to date with information on a supported flashlight handset. So what I've done here is I've mocked up this application using Flash CS3. And I have several assets such as graphics and visuals, as you can see here in the library. I lay things out in a timeline. I'm also using AS files to handle all of my specific ActionScript code, so I can actually have a more sustainable and updatable way of reusing this application or easily going back and trying to figure out where a problem might occur. So if I quickly go ahead and drill down into this application, you can see that there are different pieces organized with different layers. I'm going to go ahead and use one of the new features of Flash CS3, which is to minimize the objects on screen to give you more visual screen real estate. This is a great feature for designers as well as developers. So I go ahead and click on this first section here. This is a schedule. And if I click on schedule, drill down into it, you can see we're actually using a mask here to mask off only a certain portion of the screen at any one time to show the user what is happening within the confines of the race course. Go back up a level, click on the side here at left, and this is for actually populating a event list with times and data information from a server. So as you can see here, everything has been laid out, everything is off stage. If you go back here, last thing I'd like to show you is a video feature. So if I go back and go to the content and click on a link here, you can see a layout for a video. A little transition effect, the video would play here. Once the video is done, it closes out, goes back to the previous screen. So what I have here is laid out the actual application within Flash CS3. Now if I do a test movie, what's going to happen is it's going to kick off Device Central. Now Adobe Device Central allows me to actually interact with this piece of content like I would on a handset. This will get you about 50 to 60% of the way there of testing your application. So if I press right here, go to the map, you can see that I'm now looking at the map. I can press down and navigate through the course. And if I were to select one of these options here, it's actually going to play back a video clip. Now because this video is in a landscape orientation, I'm going to rotate my device through Adobe Device Central and actually be able to preview it as I would on a handset. Go ahead and rotate the device back. And if I press left, I can actually see what's happening for the home, and how many more days are left before the event actually begins. If I go to the schedule, again, if we refer back to the flaw file in Flash CS3, this was empty, but because of the use of AS files and importing code, I'm actually able to specify specific information about this. And on the right hand side, you'll see that I have information about reflections, backlight, and again, how much memory is being consumed by the application. So all things very important to me as a developer.